o 5 ka pesos. Pila na tanan imong kwarta? Naa kay natigom nga 20 pesos. Gihatagan ka ni ate og 5 pesos. Pila na tanan ang imong kwarta? Go! The format of the questions and the answers are as follows. Letter A, easy round. Answers will be in multiple choice. Letter B, of a liter of paint. He used 4/5 of it to paint the door. How many liter of paint did Mark use? A, 1/4. B, 1/3. C, 1/6. D, 2/3. Question number 1. Mark's father gave him 300 pesos for this week's allowance. Half of his allowance is budgeted for his food. He used the remaining amount for his science project. How much money is spent for his science project? Again, Mark's father gave him 300 pesos for this week's allowance. Half of his allowance is budgeted for his food. He used the remaining amount for his science project. How much money is spent for his science project?